What's happening, guys? Coming at y'all from DOWN4SOUND this morning with some friendly reminders that we have horn blasters, train horns in stock, fully in stock and shipping. A lot of people have been asking about the train horn on my work truck because I've been honking it on my social media, on my Snapchat and Instagram stories and stuff like that, spooking people a little bit. It's always good to give people a little bit of a scare or to get people out of your way. These things come in all different types of kits, ranging from like a couple $100 all the way up to a couple $1,000s. So whatever your price range may be, we have a kit for you. To check those out, all you have to do is go to DOWN4SOUND.com, click on the accessories tab and then horn blasters, and you'll see all the different kits there. If you see a kit on horn blasters and you don't see it on our site, just send me a link to it and I can get it for you. It's not a problem. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to do that on Down4Sound. I'm also going to go out to my work truck and show you the kit that we have on there. This is just one of the pallets that we have in stock of all the train horns that we do have. So yeah, hit us up if you need anything, horn blasters, train horns for your ride. Anyway, let me show you how to get these on the website. All right, so if you go to the website, down4soundshop.com, just like I said, click on accessories, and then you'll see horn blasters right here with the 3 different drop downs. Click on train horns or different selections there. So down here, $385, bunch of different kits. The one that I have on my work truck that I'm about to honk for you is, I believe it's this one or this one. So yeah, very, very loud kits. Comes with everything that you need. And don't forget, we have 2 different types of financing. We have bread and also snap. I'll put the code is 19039. You text that to 48078 and you'll get approved for snap financing, no credit check. And don't forget that we are home with a Down4Sound difference right here. If you want to pause the video and read over that, you'll love it. All right, let's go out to the work truck and I'll honk it for you, show you what it sounds like. It is crazy loud. Let's get out there. It's a beautiful day here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Lord of mercy. The wind is blowing like crazy though. Again, if you need anything, hit us up, down4soundshop.com. I'm gonna show you the kit down here. So if you look under here, you'll see the 4 horns right there, the shocker train horns. You'll see the air compressor, then the tank, the pressure switch. You see the air pressure gauge right there. So that's how it's all set up. They also have what's called an STD. Yes, an STD is supposed to stand for spare tire delete. So that everything that you see under there, it'll mount to this bracket, and since I don't have a spare tire, obviously, you'll mount it to that and it'll winch up under there with the cable that's usually there for your spare tire. Anyway, let me honk this thing for you, show you how crazy loud this is. Again, down4soundshop.com if y'all need anything. You can put the horn button anywhere that you would like. I have mine right up here for the convenience. Very, very simple. All right, y'all ready for this? Listen to it echo. Crazy. Let's do it again. You can hear it echo about 4 times off that building. That building is somewhere way over there. It's echoing. Let me flip this around and I'll hit it with it facing under there. All right, let me hit it again for you. All right, how crazy was that? Crazy loud, right? You heard the air compressor turn on? So it doesn't, it usually takes like, I don't know, a minute, or it depends. If I have the truck running, I have a output alternator. So you can hear the speed of the compressor speed up a lot when I start it up because it's getting a lot more juice than when it's turned off. But anyway, yeah guys, this thing is crazy loud. Let me know if I should do some riding around and honking on people videos. I'm pretty sure y'all seen all the prank videos that are going around on YouTube, but they're always funny to laugh at. Let me know if you think I should do that. Give me a thumbs up or comment below. Let me know. I might do a ride around honking video. But yeah, if y'all need any train horns for your ride, hit us up. Down4soundshop.com, your #1 source for all of your train horn needs as well. Thank you. See you in the next video.